Today we're trying out the Snackle Box. That's Imogene Pass where we took our picture with the sign, and we're about to go down that road right there. If you want to call that a road, that goat path, that mountain goat trail, down in that valley and all the way back down to Uray. What a spectacular day, and look at the sun hitting those painted iron mountains and peaks as far as you can see. And who would think that it could have a lake at 13,000 feet? But that is the melted snow from last winter, when all of this was covered in snow.
Oh.
Wonder what this liquid gold might be.
A toast?
A toast to the top of Imogene Pass. That is the landing strip of the private airport of Telluride. So, hey Oprah, Tom Cruise, Dierks Bentley, cheers. We're gonna have a round of good old fireball. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Now you know who's behind the camera.
My favorite cowgirl. Cheers.
He's just kidding.
We'll just do it again. We gotta drive down.
That fireball whiskey, what is it?
Whispers in my ear.
Whispers in my ear.
Cheers.
We might be cutting everybody's head off. He might be videoing a bunch of boobs. Who knows?
That you got in your hand there. Snackle Box. Today we're trying out the Snackle Box at 12,000 feet. We got another 2,000 feet to go in the Rocky Mountains. This is the way to picnic. And I'll give you another hot tip, people. Take this on the plane with you. We were the envy of the 747. We had our own Snackle Box charcuterie on the airplane. We restocked it, rented a couple of 4x4s, and we're headed up to the top of a Rocky Mountain. What a beautiful place for a waterfall picnic. I think this is the best beer I may have ever enjoyed in my life. Not because of the beer hand of the beer, but with the people I'm with, and this free God-given air conditioner, this nice cold air flowing right down this waterfall in the Rocky Mountains. Snackle Box, baby.